Jaya, Gopala Jaya Jaya, Radha Ramana Hari. A very simple chant invoking Govinda, Gopala, Baby Krishna, the quality of playfulness and reminding us to stay fluid, not attach too much to the things that will pass by. It is very simple, just moving between C and G, and that's why I immediately introduce you to the three-fingered variation. Of course, two fingers is also an option. We could, for example, just go from C. This could be our C, C and G. This could be our G major. If we just wanted to find a two-fingered variation, Govinda Jaya Jaya, Gopala Jaya Jaya. But it's not too complicated, so let's try the three-fingered variation. Govinda Jaya Jaya, Gopala Jaya Jaya. Right? I know starting out playing the harmonium, it feels awkward to use your little finger, but I always tell my students just start using it now, because you will just have so many more options when you have all your fingers in play, so you will need it eventually, and this easy chant is a beautiful way to get started using your little finger. So again, finger positioning is crucial. We have 1, 3 and 5 to 1, 2 and 5. That's our change. This simple chant lives off being a call response chant, so you really want to make sure not to sing all the time, but really emphasize the back and forth, emphasize the ping pong with your sangha. Govinda Jaya Jaya, Gopala Jaya Jaya, Radha Ramana Hari, Govinda Jaya Jaya. Your turn. Exactly, you get it. Govinda Jaya Jaya, happy chanting. Govinda Jaya Jaya, Gopala Jaya Jaya, Radha Ramana Hari,